Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hannah. I am a law student and a patent prosecutor, and I film handbag videos in my spare time. Today we have an exciting unbox. So without further ado, let's just get into it. This is true unboxing. So I'm just ripping the box open. Oops. Here we go. Here we go, Louis Vuitton. I think this is the receipt. I guess they changed their packing box. Now the inside of the box is also orange. I think it used to be just this brown color, but now it's orange. So that's nice. So here we go. I am so excited. I've been waiting for this for so long. Let me just get my hair out of my face. So here's the box. Here you go. Dun, da, da, da. Okay, let me just come closer. Are you guys ready? So if you've been following me, you are probably wondering, wait a minute, doesn't she have pochette métis already? I actually did, but I ended up selling that pochette métis because I wanted to order this pochette métis World Tour series in my 14-year cancer survivor anniversary. If you've been following me, you are probably aware that my cancer survivor anniversary is July 17th because I have been posting something very special to celebrate life. However, today is October 28th. So why am I unboxing my 14-year cancer survivor anniversary in October? You might wonder. I had originally planned on ordering pochette métis World Tour series in May so that I could get this bag in July in time for my cancer survivor anniversary. But when I went to LV boutique, I was informed that they were discontinuing the World Tour series on pochette métis, so I couldn't order it. However, about a couple months ago, I was checking LV websites, but they still had pochette métis World Tour series on their website. So I was like, okay, that's kind of odd. I'm just gonna go ahead and place the order. And the order went through. I was super excited because I hadn't gotten something special for my anniversary yet. I think I placed the order sometime in August, and it usually takes about 8 weeks or so to receive the World Tour series. So it finally arrived today. So here's gorgeous pochette métis World Tour series. I picked only one sticker. It's kind of hard to see because it blends in nicely, but you can see I chose 14 in Arabic to commemorate my 14 years of second chance in life. So this is my special bag. Let me give you a close-up tour of my new pochette métis. I chose black leather. So this is all black. There's no vachetta here. So beautiful, isn't it? And are you ready to see inside? Let me just open the bag and show you this gorgeous red lining. Oh my goodness, isn't this beautiful? And here's the strap. This bag is so gorgeous, you guys. Let me just do a close-up examination to make sure everything is in perfect condition. Okay, so the bag seems to be in perfect condition. There's nothing wrong with it. Everything is the way it should be. So I'm very, very happy with this purchase. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Oh, I already ordered Samogra back insert. So let's put this in. The color is a very close match. The Samogra insert is slightly brighter red, but it's okay. It doesn't have to be exact match. I don't mind. So there we go. Perfect insert. So Samogra makes such good insert, you guys. I am very, very happy with Samogra. Let's put on the strap. Oh, it's so beautiful, isn't it? I'm very, very happy with this Water Series Push-Up Matisse. I also have this bum bag in Water Series. I got this one on my 12-year Cancer Survivor anniversary. So this one has 12 sticker right here. Hard to see. On Push-Up Matisse, it's slightly easier to see. So you can see 14 more easily as opposed to 12. Oh, actually I chose reversed color. So this one is, where is it? So this one is in black and then red background, and I chose a reversed color. So I chose red letter and then black lining. So this one is a little bit easier to see. I forgot about that. So anyway, so here's my 2 Water Series collection, my 12-year Survivor anniversary gift, and this is my 14-year Survivor anniversary gift. So that's it for today's video. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye!